Many of us are enthusiasts and love to work in the auto industry, but we don't know the various departments or various sections that is available in the auto industry. This video will explain all that to you and make it simpler and easy to understand on the specific field that you would love to work in the auto industry. Hello everyone, welcome back to AR Pro Academy. We have seen in our previous video how the automobiles evolved from the very first one to what it is today. If you have missed seeing that video, immediately click on the link given here and you can watch that video before you come here. We also spoke about mass production of cars using assembly line. I hope you are clear with that. If not, again click on this link to watch that video on assembly line manufacturing. Today's topic is something different. Well, this video is about how we categorize the automobile industry. The automobile industry can be broadly classified into three sections. In the manufacturing sector is where the production of a car happens. But there too, we have different stages. The first stage would be designing a car. So we have fantastic artists in the auto industry who can draw, maybe using a freehand or different various other softwares available in the market, can draw a beautiful car. Now this beautiful car may come out of their thought, can be from inspiration from different things that they see around their environment. So this is the first product sketch that happens, like you see in this picture here. They look beautiful, right? But unfortunately, not all designs that come on paper come into a final production. Let me tell you the reason why. As an artist, I can draw a design of a car the way I want it, but then it may not be practical to manufacture a car in the same exact shape as given in the art. A lot of factors decide whether a car which is drawn on a paper could be actually manufactured. So who decides all this? So once the product sketch is done, this is transferred to the next team, and this team is called development team. They are also called as design and development team. So what does the design and development team do? They first take the sketch which they receive from the product design department and they study the manufacturability of this design. Then they slightly modify the design to make it easier or practical to manufacture in large numbers. That is the reason you might have seen a lot of companies giving away fantastic design sketches of their new product that's coming up, but the final product might actually change. So the design and development team will finally decide the manufacturing design of the vehicle. This also includes a lot of other activities like building a prototype. Prototype is nothing but an exact copy of the product to be built. Once the prototyping is over and the testing is over, and after all that, finally the design is approved for manufacturing. Now, when the product design is finally approved, this goes to the next stage, and that is production. So now this is where the actual car production takes place. So this happens in the manufacturing plants where we have huge assembly line facilities. Remember, if you don't know what's assembly line, immediately click on this link to understand what's assembly line. Okay, so the car gets manufactured in assembly line, and from there it is ready to go to the road. Now here there is again a department which checks and ensures quality of the final product which is produced. So again, the final testing happens, and after all the testing is done, the product is ready to roll out to the dealership. I'm sure all of us have experienced a car purchase or a two-wheeler purchase, and during this purchase, what do? We go to a dealership, automobile dealership, and we buy a vehicle from there. And when we go there, there is a person there who meets us and helps us decide on buying a vehicle. And who is that person? None other than a sales guy. Well, what does a sales guy at a dealership do? He comes to you, sits with you, understands your requirement, suggests the right vehicle required for you so that you can finally decide and buy your favorite vehicle. So this is exactly done by another team from the OEM manufacturer as well. So I'm sure you understood this concept. Yes. So once a car or a bike is produced in a manufacturing plant, they are sold to the dealers. Yes, dealers have to pay money to the manufacturing plant and get these cars. They stock these vehicles in the stockyard, display these vehicles in the dealership, and that is when the customer starts coming in. So let us have a quick recap. First, there's a design team who designs the vehicle, and then there's a development team who develops the final model of a vehicle. Then there's a production team which manufactures the final product which is design approved. So all this together comes in the manufacturing department. And after that, from there, there's another department who does the wholesale of products from the manufacturing company to the dealership. And then the dealership is the actual person who does the retail of all these vehicles to the end customers. So I guess this entire concept is clear now. And now you can also decide the right department that you want to work in the auto industry. So team, with that, I come to end of this video. Do press the like button if you love this video, and also share this with your friends and colleagues. So with that, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Goodbye.